Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about PolyDoge. All right, it is up 83% on the day, up 906% in the past 7 days, and up 349% in the last 14 days. This coin is exactly what you think it is. It is the Dogecoin on the Polygon network, ticker MATIC. This is the second layer protocol for Ethereum, and it is faster and cheaper. So we've talked about Quickswap on this channel, and this is exactly where you can go to get some PolyDoge. So you want to connect your MetaMask, and you'll see your Ethereum, and you want to also see your MATIC network right here. When you go to the MATIC network, you will see that we have 0 in there. When you're here, you want to click Bridge Assets, and you'll come over here, and you'll see that we can switch Ethereum to the MATIC network. And right now, PolyDoge is only at last time we looked, it was $23 million market cap. Now it is a $32 million market cap. So it's going up exponentially by the minute as we create this tutorial for you guys. So we're going to send $2,000. No, we're going to send $1,000. That's a nice number. We're going to send almost $1,000. There we go. So we are going to switch that to the MATIC network. I'm going to click continue. Complete deposit is going to cost us $21.94. We are transferring $999.48 approximately. Continue. Please select okay. There we go. Just had to listen to their instructions. So our total will be $1,014 for the gas fees. And it looks like our transaction is in process. For those of you just learning, just know this is my first time doing it. So I'm showing you guys exactly how it's done. So I am the guinea pig, and I'm sending $1,000 to buy some PolyDoge. Hopefully this is another coin that will go to the moon. If you guys have been making a lot of money off meme coins, smash that like button. If you guys want time-sensitive information, such as all the coins we have been listing every day, we drop 1 to 4 videos a day, click that bell button so you receive all that information and are notified as soon as I drop a video. We have created a very strong community on this channel, and you guys have expressed to me that you want a Patreon, so I will be getting that out to you guys very shortly. I know there's over 5,000 coins in the crypto space, and right now, as a lot of the market is bleeding, a lot of our calls are green. You know, we're a huge Cardano fan. You know, we've had Ethereum for so long. You know, we talk about Polkadot and Dr. Gavin Wood, Cardano, and Charles Hoskinson. For those of you watching the video patiently and gaining this knowledge, thank you so much. Thank you for being on board with my channel. We are trying to make as much generational wealth here as possible, and there's only one way to do that, and that is to, you know, get comfortable with the uncomfortable, which is, you know, learning things and not being lazy But we have one transaction in process. You guys get to see the real time of how long it takes. It seems to be taking much longer. You guys let me know in the comments below. Do you guys prefer Ethereum or do you prefer something like Binance where it is so much quicker? The pros and cons to having Binance versus Ethereum is much slower. And that's why we have Quickswap and MATIC as a second layer protocol to be a cheaper, faster solution for Ethereum until the Berlin fork. But it doesn't seem like it's doing that much progress because we're still here comparing the two, and this transaction hasn't been completed yet. And I'm assuming it's going to take 10 to 20 minutes. Maybe I'll pause this, maybe I won't. But let's talk more about Polygon while we wait for that. So we can see that their Twitter is just getting started. Let's see how many people are following now. All right, 9 more people are following. But I believe this coin is going to, it went from 710 to 679. So someone just bought a big bag. And as you can see, it just went up. We're sitting at 0.00000004. So this is still very early, guys. If you believe that a lot of these meme coins can hit the $1 billion market cap, smash that like button. Transfer en route, it says confirmed, completed. Let's see. So the transaction went through, and as we can see on our MATIC mainnet, our wallet V2, it says we have $996. That would be the Ethereum we sent. So we lost about $3 within that time. So Ethereum's price must be going down, which is true. The whole market's kind of dumping today, except Cardano, Harmony, and a lot of meme coins. But now we go to Quickswap and we can trade Ethereum for PolyDoge. And the reason we can do that is because it will go from Ethereum to Wrapped MATIC to PolyDoge. So we are going to purchase as much as possible. Associated fees, 0. So this is why people are talking about the second layer protocol. The only fee we paid was $22, and now to trade on Quickswap, it's 0. This is, I would say this tutorial is for experts, but I showed you guys all the mistakes I made and all the length it took to finish this tutorial. So I hope you guys appreciate that. I appreciate you guys following for this long. So smash that like button as we confirm. All right, guys, come on. Come on. Are we going to get some PolyDoge today and see this $30 million market cap go to $1 billion? I don't see why not. Let's see how long it takes. Boom. We added PolyDoge right here. So swap, confirm swap. So even though this is a second layer protocol, I would say that it's still slower than PancakeSwap on the Binance Smart Chain. But the associated fee, besides moving the Ethereum, $22, there was 0 fee with this. So you guys let me know what you think. Quickswap has been on the rise. And if we look at Quickswap, we see, because it is associated with MATIC, it has gone up exponentially in the last 30 days, up 400%. All right, guys, look how much PolyDoge we have. We have a lot of PolyDoge. So We bought PolyDoge at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 zeros, 4. All right. And we are ranked 703 right now. That is the area code of Virginia. So if you're from the DMV, smash that like button. But as always, guys, thank you for your time. Nothing's more valuable than your time, except your money. So I'll see you next time with some more gems.
Take me to the moon. I want to go so high. We're going to the sky, yeah. Safe moon, blowing my mind. Safe moon is going so high. Safe moon, gonna make me cry. Oh yeah, going so high.
Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon.
Safe moon, yeah, let's go, bro. It's time to FOMO. Make me cry, baby. I can't wait, I can't wait. Millie's on the May, Millie's on the way. I can feel it, yeah. I can feel it on the way, yeah. Safe moon on the way, safe moon on the way, safe moon on the way. I get more today, today.
Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon.
It's still early right now. Get that moon right now. 4 trillion tokens burnt to the ground right now. Over 600 holders, that's too many to beholders. If you knew what we were going to a million now. 3.5 market cap, going to 10 billion now. 10 billion market cap would be at least a 3x now. 3x your money tomorrow. Finance list is coming, that shit is inevitable.
Safe moon, blowing my mind. Safe moon is going so high. Safe moon, gonna make me cry. Oh yeah, going so high.
Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go